Debbie Preuss. I'm part owner of Preuss Pets, and I've managed the bird room for the last 28 years. I'd like to show you a wide variety of babies that I have downstairs. How about let's go see? This is a green-winged macaw baby. Ellie cockatoo. This is a blue and gold macaw. This is a black-hooded kite. Rose-breasted cockatoo baby. Blue crown conure. A baby sun conure. An Alexander ringneck parakeet. A blue-cap pyonis. An African gray Congo. A Latino Indian ringneck parakeet. A lesser sulfur cockatoo. A yellow nape Amazon. A Timna African gray. The white-bellied Kaik. The Pacific Parrotlet. And a wide variety of cockatiels. Locally private bred budgies. Lady Gullion finches. Cordon bleu finches. A mosaic canary. And this is Alejandro. Alejandro is our hyacinth macaw.